So something that is like a bar chart that's commonly confused with a bar chart is called a histogram. A bar chart shows the differences between values, right? A bar chart shows you each person's age as a bar. What a histogram shows you is a frequency of occurrence. So in other words, how many people are from Los Angeles? Show a bar that shows how many people are from Los Angeles or San Francisco or something like that. So the distribution of a continuous data set, or the frequency. When you think of histogram, think of frequency. Visualizing the frequency of data within a interval. And it's another one that's really makes any visualization is good for identifying patterns and outliers, honestly. But let's take a look at a histogram. And a histogram, what it wants from us is the data set or the data frame. And then the next argument is the variable that you're going to use to count the frequency of. So I'm going to do a histogram that shows each city as a different bar. And it's going to determine the color by the city. So each bar will have a different color. And I added something called text_auto, which puts a number for each inside each bar. That's just a little extra thing, but I'll show it to you right now. So if I do a histogram of that same data, I have 3 from Los Angeles, 2 from Chicago, 1 from San Francisco, 1 from New York. And the text auto puts the number for each one right there. You can also look over here at the count, but sometimes it's nice to just have the numbers written in there. And again, it's all interactive, and we can turn things off and on. Okay, so that is a histogram. So a bar chart compares the number in a field. A histogram compares the frequency of a specific value. The nice thing about a histogram is that it can use numeric data or it can use text data. Notice that I'm using city. I'm counting how many Los Angeleses there are. I'm counting how many Chicagos there are. If I tried to use city in a bar chart, it's going to throw an error because a bar chart only understands numbers because it's trying to map out the number that's in that field rather than the count or the frequency of that. Okay.